I talked about this last week in a short video. This right here is a regular cant hook, but it has some characteristics that makes it a little bit better. This is the mega hook design that Log-Rite has. It's usually a longer handle. And the reason I got a shorter handle, this one's 60 inches, is because I'm inside. And over here where I load the logs, I'd be hitting my trusses if this was the long one. I think the other one is maybe 6 foot long on the handle. I'm not sure. It's too long for in here, I do know that. But this is a cant hook that we designed with him a few months ago. I've been using it since, when did I get this? The Paul Bunyan show, whenever that was, back in October or September. I can't remember when that was, but that's when I got this thing. I've been using it since then, and I really like it. This has the mega hook on the end. It will grip a log between 15 inches in diameter up to 45. On their website right now, they're $160. So if you're interested in them, there's a link down below. And they made 50 of them. I think they got about 20 or so left, and once they're gone, I don't think they'll make any more of them. So this is a really unique tool that you probably won't get to buy again, and it works really good, especially if you're in a sawmill indoors like I am, because you got the availability of using the mega hook without having to fool with that longer handle and worry about breaking lights and all that stuff. So a really big thank you to Log-Rite for making this for us, and if you're interested in it, once again, there's a link down below. On the Sawmill, this is a Sassafras. It's about 9 feet long. Down here is the small end. We're looking at about 14.5 inches. 14.5. There's a lot of taper in this log. Here on the operator's side, we're looking at about 19.25 inches. All right, friends, I had to pour me a fresh cup of coffee. It is December the 3rd today, and this is pretty unique. For one thing, it's 67 degrees in Tennessee today. Man, it's nice outside. I'm pretty hot in this flannel. It was chilly this morning, but man, it's ridiculous right now. And the second thing is, I have a birthday in 2 days, December the 5th. So if you think you know how old I'm going to be, leave me a comment below because it might surprise you. In the next video, I'll tell you guys how old I am. We're going to flat saw this. We're going to go for about 8 to 12 inches width on our boards. And we should get some really nice boards out of it once we get rid of this taper. There's not a lot of knots or defects showing. Stuff smells like root beer. It's really good for outdoor furniture. It's really good for furniture makers on indoor stuff. I reckon on the outdoor stuff, it has a really good rot resistance. I didn't know that. So a lot of people use this stuff for fence posts. So we'll get the Yanmar cranked up here and get going. Appreciate you guys watching today, and thanks to everybody on Patreon for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to guess my age down in the comments below. I just spilt my coffee.